Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Unique Dija here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with us. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you find it interesting, please. So on today's episode, we are going to be making moi moi and a review for moi moi pouch. So here are my ingredients: the beans, the red pepper, onions, eggs. I'll be boiling the eggs later. My boiled fish. So here are all the ingredients. So let's get started. So I'll be washing the beans. I'll peel the back. So here I'm using mortar to peel the back because there's no light. You know, we are in Nigeria, there's no light. You can actually use blender. I used to use blender to peel the back, but there's no light, so I have to go with this option of mortar and pestle to peel the back, to make it easier, make our work easier for us by peeling and washing the beans off. So can you see it? I've peeled all the back of the beans. Please don't be hard on it, just be using the pestle to beat it small. I'm through. So do you see it? I'll be washing off the back by raising it with water. I'm through with raising it. See the beans, pure white. I clean everything. There's no more back inside the beans. You see how whitish it is? So I'm through with it. I'll be cleaning this pepper, boiling my egg, cutting my onions. Anyway, I'll be cleaning everything. I like shombo plenty inside my moi moi because I like the way it gives it reddish color. That is why you can see that my shombo is plenty. So here it is. I've washed the pepper, peeled the onions, the garlic, the ginger, everything. I put it on top the beans. So we are going to be blending it shortly. So here are the spices that I'm going to use for the moi moi: the Maggi, salt. I've mashed the fish, the boiled egg, crayfish, this is the pouch that we are going to be using. I'll be doing review on this pouch. Let's see how it works, because it's my first time of using it too, so I want to see how it works. So I've blended my beans. Sorry for the video quality. As I said in the first place, there's no light. Manage it with me. So here is my beans. I've blended it. I'll be mixing it, adding all the ingredients. So let's see. It's well blended. So that is my groundnut oil. I'll add in the groundnut oil first. Mix it to incorporate very well. I'll be adding in my spice. So the mashed fish will be going in now. The crayfish too. I'll mix everything together. So I'll be putting in water because it's too thick. I don't want it to be too thick, in as much as I don't like very light moi moi, but I'll still be adding water to make it a little bit light. I don't like all this soft moi moi. I like it a little bit hard. But actually, if you like your soft, you can still add water. So guys, I'm through with the mixing. I'm going to be putting it inside the pouch. So see the way I'll be opening the pouch before I put the moi moi. You have to open the under so that if the moi moi is rising, as in, it will have space. And please don't fold the pouch when you are putting it. Do it halfway so that it will have space to rise. And the egg, little moi moi on top of it. So that is how you'll be doing it. So I'm through with everything. You make sure that it's standing inside your pot. Then I've started adding water. Don't let anyone fall so that water will not go inside. Just make everything standing. So our moi moi is ready. So you see it, guys, very easy to use this pouch. Actually, I love it. No stress, nothing. So you can give it a try. See the way the moi moi looks. See the shape it gives the moi moi. So I love the moi moi pouch. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye. So if you watch to this junction, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.